What's up, y'all? It's Carrie Mitchell with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today I have a tutorial for you that goes over a very basic tap step. So if you've always dreamed of learning to tap dance, stay tuned. Today's basic tap steps we're going to go over are stomps and stamps. So stomp with an O and stamp with an A. Now, a stomp doesn't take your weight and a stamp does. I'm going to show you. And then we're going to put it together in some different rhythm combos just to practice stamps and stomps. So something that's really important in tap dancing is weight distribution. Shifting your weight from side to side, where should your weight be? And if you put your weight somewhere it's not supposed to be, it can throw off your balance, or it can throw off kind of the rest of the step that you're supposed to be falling into. So, practicing these stomps and stamps is going to help you sit your weight in different places, okay? Lots of talking, I'll stop that, let's dance. A stomp with an O. Toe and heel go down, like you would think, but I don't put my weight on it. So it's never gonna shift to my weight. This is a stomp. Stomp, stomp. Yeah, left side, same thing. Stomp, stomp, stomp. So pretty easy, right? Side note, this is a really good video that you can do if you have like a lot of frustration, or if you just need to like feel strong and empowered. Stomping and stamping is great for that. So get ready. Okay, that was your stomp, no weight. A stamp kind of sounds the same, but I'm actually transferring my weight to it. So this is a stamp, this is a stamp, this is a stamp, 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 stamp. Let's try that, ready? So slow, slow, quick, 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 stamping. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Stamp, stamp, 1, 2, 3. Again. Again. One more. Very nice. So you're letting those heels down. When we say step in tap dancing, we typically have the heels elevated a little bit, because we don't want to hear the heel. So a step is really on the ball of the foot, but in these stamps, you can let your heels fall down. So that's your stomp and your stamp. Now we're just gonna put them together in some little rhythms for you to practice where to put your weight. So the first one we're gonna do is a stomp, step, stomp, okay? So your right foot's gonna stomp. I'm sitting back into this left leg so that my right foot doesn't take any of the weight. So it's gonna be stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. No weight on that front foot. So see how I'm gonna lean back a little. Not lean, but kind of. Stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. So my weight does not come forward on that foot ever. Right, right, left, left, right. Try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. As we get faster, when I step back, see how I'm gonna leave that heel up. When you go slow, it's okay to let them drop. Even when you go fast, you do whatever you want to do. But technically, we want to keep those heels up on the steps. So again, rhythm is stomp, step, stomp. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. 5, 6, do it again. 5, 6, don't put your weight on it. Right, left, right. From there, I'm gonna pick that right foot back up because there's no weight on it, and I'm gonna go stamp, 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 and then I'm gonna drop a heel at the end. So the last part's gonna be right, left, right, heel. 5, 6, just the stamps. 5, 6, 7, so see how it takes my weight. Back to the stomps. It's not gonna take we're gonna stamp. No weight, then your weight. Try it again. 5, 6, stomp, step. Then stamp, 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 heel. Again. 5, 6, stomp, step, stomp. 5, 6, here we go. Stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp, stamp, 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 heel. 5, 6, 7, go. Again, 5, 6, stomp, step. Yeah? So if you don't get it the first couple times, just keep trying. Watch my feet and see how that weight transitions from the stomps, no weight, stamps take your weight, okay? We just did stamp, heel. We're just gonna try everything on our left side now. So we've already done it, but we're leading with the left leg. So the left leg's gonna take the first stomp. It's gonna go stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. Try it. 5, 6, stomp on your left. 5, 6, stomp on your left. Left, left, right, right, left. Then we pick that left foot back up to do stamp, stamp, stamp. Add that heel drop at the end. Stamp on your left. 5, 6, 3, stamps. Again, 5, 6, 3, stamps. Very nice. Stomp, step, stomp on your left. 5, 6, 7, go. Stomp. Then stamp. Again, 5, 6, stomp, step, stomp, go. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Again, 5, 6, stomp, step. Stamp. Very nice. Now we're going to try right and left together. So after you do stamp, heel on the right, you're going to go into stomp on the left. Here we go. Here, this is fun. Stomping on your right. 5, 6, stomp, step. Now stamp. Heel drop, stomp on your left. Stamp. Very nice. So that just, what am I doing with my finger? Just remember that stomp and then that stamp to switch your weight. Here we go again from the top. Stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp. 5, 6, 7, go. Stamp, heel drop, stomp. Stamp, heel drop. One more time. 5, 6, stomp, step. Stamp, heel drop, go. Stomp. Stamp. Let's add on to it, okay? So we're gonna cut the stomp, step, stomp down. Yes, I said that right. So just 3 sounds. So it's just gonna be right, left, right. And then your left foot should be free to go left, right, left. Okay, so it's just gonna be this. Just try that. 5, 6, stomp, step. Again, 5, 6, stomp, step. Yep, then your left foot's gonna go stomp, step, stomp. Ready? 5, 6, stomp on your left. Again, 5, 6, stomp on your left, Carrie. Very nice. So when you put them together, it's going to be right, left, right. Hold, left, right, left. Hold. 5, 6, stomp on your right. Again, 5, 6, stomp on your right. Left side. Yes. Then from there, we're going to repeat the first part of the right side to do stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp, stamp, stamp, stamp. And we're going to finish it with a clap. That's your period on the end of your sentence. Okay? So again, you just do the right side at the end. We do 2 singles. Stomp, step, stomp, stomp, step, stomp, then stop, step, stomp, stamp, 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 clap. easier to hear the whole thing together. So it starts with stomp, step, stamp, 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 heel, left, right, left, stamp, 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 heel, right, left, 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 right, right, da, 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 stamp, 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 clap, okay? That was totally helpful, right? Very slow from the top. Let's listen. Stomp, step, stomp, 5, 6, 7, go. Stomp, step, stomp, right, left, heel drop. Then we stomp. Stamp, heel drop. Now we go right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we stomp. Kind of. Let's try it again. I'm going to not talk this time so you can actually hear the rhythm. Here we go. 5, 6, stomp, step, stomp. Here we go. Left. Right. Left, right, left. Right. Yes, let's do it one more time, a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, stomp, step, stomp, 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah, very nice. Great job on your stomps and your stamps. If this one tricks you up, it's a little bit more advanced beginner, right? Shifting that weight gets confusing, but really practice these. If you ever want to learn time steps, it's going to be really good to practice where your weight goes in those stomps and those stamps, okay? Good job.